I showed you that if we will change manually these commands, suppose cal, it will come cal again. If we will do to date, it will show date. So this is kind of a technical thing, you know. You have to go this where URL and change here. Any technical persons can only know. So what I did is, for a non-technical person, I developed a front end and linked my var www html folder, which is HTTP server supports, and linked it to CGI bin folder, so that when it will ask to write the commands, it will go through the CGI bin and through the Linux server and take the output and show us in the screen. So in that front end also, what I made, so this is my total front end. Was the total front end that I made. This is totally written in HTML language that Vimal sir taught us on its day. And here this front end I have developed, and here also you don't need have to remember the commands of Linux. That means if you want for calendar, you have to use cal command, because non-technical persons cannot know, right? So what I did is, you can see here, if I write show me the calendar. See here, a real command is cal command, but I have not written it. I am returning show me the calendar. So it will show me the calendar. See, show me the calendar. If you page source, it will show exactly the calendar from the Linux server. So this was the great thing. And if someone also types in Hindi, if you know, मुझे calendar दिखा दो, then also it will see and judge and say me the calendar. See, it's very cool. So if you want a date, you don't need to do the date command, so you have to write show me today's date, so it will go and show you the date. See, today's date. So and next we can see as present working directly. Actually the real command is pwd, but if we see show me the current folder I am working right now. So see here I've written something like this: show me the current folder I've right now. Here I have not written the pwd command. If I submit, see, as my command as my Linux server has gone to CGI bin folder, and it is retrieving there, it will show you my var www CGI bin. Okay, so it's very cool, you know. Without knowing the Linux commands, if you use or desire, it will show you the thing, required thing. Now if you want, suppose, to list out amount of folders, or the list out the folders that are there in the uh, particular folder, we actually the real command is ls. But see what I'm doing: list me your folders. If I submit now, or if you write list me your things, as if I now hit enter, so you can see this one, the program I've written in my var CGI bin folder, so it is showing my ls command view. So now if you want your IP address, so the real command is ifconfig. And if you don't know, you can see how it is done: show me my IP address. See, the IP address has came. If you view page source, it is exactly the IP address of your Linux server. Here is our IP. So if you give also, if you give also IP also, they will give you. See, they're very clever. They know actually from their commands. So what you're entering, what you're not. So if I write ping is a command which is used to actually, pinging means show the network connectivity is there in between or not. If I hit a ping command, so it will show you not accessible, right? Connect net, because you know my Red Hat Linux server, you can see here, Ethernet card of off. If I want to connect it, connect, you can see here now connected, it's connecting. After connecting, you will see that it will ping to Google, and you will see that network is reachable. So these you think you see here, Google your command home. So this is an interesting thing I have added. If you click here Google your command, it will redirect it to the google.com, and you will be able to search your command there. So what I've done is change the location header from here by putting the hyper reference www.google.com. If you click here Google your command, it will take here to Google. See, now you can search your command if you need. Now one another interesting thing I've added is time. So here if you click time, so you see hours is 20. Actually the you can see here from 20, it is 8:17, 20 it is there, so it will show me good evening. As it is night time, so it is showing me good evening. If it was daytime, it will be showing good day. So this is the one interesting thing I have added here. So let's go to the code, and let's see what it is. So this is the full code of the front end action. So here I have connected my CGI bin folder, and these are all other things done. So here you have written the condition hour less than 18, good day or good evening, and this is the my any command means the Python file is some if only if commands. So from here they identify that you see IP address, or only OR options if you make here they will identify, right? So this was the second version of my thing, my web app. So thanks Vimal sir, and thank you for your training. With such less time we are able to do these things.